Glazing manufacture, supply and install. Jurien Bay. Offering a fabulous beachside lifestyle on the turquoise coast, Bay Glass has cornered the market on all things glazing. With no competition and an impressive turnover, there's still plenty of demand if you wish to further grow the business. Just 2 hours from Perth, Bay Glass Jurien manufactures, supplies and installs everything from shower screens to security doors. Highly regarded in the community for quality workmanship and great service, the business was established 23 years ago. Clients include local businesses, home renovators, builders, real estate, and local residents from Jurien Bay, Cervantes, Lehman, and Greenhead. The only glazing business within a 120-kilometre radius, there is great potential to offer services to more areas in the region. The business runs from spacious premises in the town centre, with a large workshop, mezzanine floor, air-conditioned office, and showroom. Sold as a walk-in, walk-out package, Bay Glass Jurien is currently operated by a husband and wife team with no other staff. However, with no shortage of work and growing demand, there is certainly potential to increase revenue by employing staff. A new owner could also expand the product range to offer shutters, pool and balcony glass, frameless shower screens, and more.